Yeah, so again, this is a very popular question, and there is a lot of misconception among students. Ki, I know this language, but what other languages I should know, right? So I would just request all the students, whoever is watching this video, just to be like 100% confident on one programming language. All you need is just one programming language. Either it could be C, it could be C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript, anything. But be familiar with at least one programming language. Don't simply jump between solving one problem in one programming language and another in another programming language. But if you were to ask me personally, my favorite is C++, and like I also use Java because most of my projects at Amazon uses like they work on various technologies, but most popular ones are Java. So yeah.